I have balanced hormones. I am so feminine. I have low levels of androgens. I am so hyper-feminine. My hormones are balanced perfectly. I have low levels of cortisol. I have healed from everything caused due to cortisol and hormonal imbalance. I have perfect even skin all over. My skin is healthy. I have glowy bright even skin. I glow so much. I have even skin. I am immune to insulin resistance. My sugar levels are balanced. I am inclined to take care of myself. I avoid eating excess sugar or junk food. I like eating healthy food over junk, but still I never receive any negative effects even if I consume sugar or junk food, because my body retains healthy levels of everything. I am always healthy no matter what. All my hormones are always balanced, providing me with utmost perfect health and harmony. I am perfectly healthy. I am immune to ever face any negative effects of anything because I am forever super healthy and everything in my body is always in harmony and balance. I never indulge in habits that might be harmful to me. Although I will always be healthy no matter what, I love taking care of myself.